Soft background sound. Tension rising. In the stillness of a city night. 5 shots tore through the silence. Panic, screams, and the desperate rush to save a life. Witnesses remember flashes of light, echoes of fear, and a Cadillac marked by bullets. Inside the courtroom now, years later, the truth struggles to breathe. A trembling voice identifies the shooter, the man behind the wheel, the one who never looked back. Lawyers argue, the judge listens, and the air feels heavy with justice waiting to fall. This is not just testimony, it's memory, pain, and truth colliding under oath. 5 shots, 1 witness, 1 life lost. This is Jugac Scimp, the courtroom drama, where every word could change a verdict, and every silence could hide the truth. Sound of gavel strikes, fade to black.
Shorter if you can.
About 5 minutes.
From front to end, from the start to the end?
I had not even 20 minutes.
Okay. What's the next thing that you hear or see?
The next thing is we're driving to the hospital. I'm hit. He drove himself to the hospital.
Who said that? Okay. And where do you guys end up going?
St. Jude's. The hospital nearby, I'm not sure.
Okay. And how did you guys get there?
He drove. The road drove himself.
Okay. Do you recall what the path of travel was? How he got from the Ichiban to the
It's just
hospital?
around the corner, so it's not.
In a quiet parking lot, 5 sudden shots ripped through the air. No warning, no time to think. Witnesses froze, confusion turned to chaos. Was it one shooter? One weapon? She says yes, 1 man, 1 gun, 5 deadly echoes. Moments later, they rush toward the hospital. Hope still alive. But as the witness testifies, her voice trembles. Her words carry more than memory. They carry loss. Because when they reached the hospital, Mr. Banks didn't make it. The silence that followed was louder than any gunfire.
When you're outside at that point, did you have an opportunity to view his Cadillac?
Yes.
Did you see any damage to the car?
Yes, it was bullet holes everywhere.
And I know again this might seem silly, but were there any bullet holes in the Cadillac before going to the Ichiban that day?
No.
Did you ever see Mr. Banks with the firearm?
No.
Okay. Did you recognize any of the people from the parking lot with Mr. Banks as being in the courtroom today?
Yes.
Okay. Is that person seated at one of the tables?
Yes.
Okay. Do you recognize him as being on the driver's side of the vehicle?
Yes.
Is that the person who fired those five or more shots?
Yes.
Okay. Can you just tell us what that person's wearing in the courtroom?
Green.
Your Honor, for the record, the witnesses identified the defendant.
Record shall so reflect without objection.
Panic filled the car. No one spoke, only the roar of the engine and the pounding of fear. The road blurred beneath them as they sped toward the hospital. He was bleeding, fighting, fading. She remembers every second. How fast, how close, how unreal. When they arrived, workers ran out, pulled him onto a stretcher. The Cadillac stood there, riddled with bullet holes, a silent witness to what had just happened. And inside the courtroom now, every detail comes alive again. Every mile of that desperate drive.
Your Honor, again, with the court's assistance, if I could play the video again.
Go ahead.
Oh, I just saw it for just a second there. There we go. Thank you. All right. All right, Ms. Thomas, I'm going to play this video, and then can you just let me know when you think you recognize the Cadillac?
Mhm.
It gets a little choppy. I'm sorry about that. I'm just going to pause it here. Do you recognize any of the vehicles at this point in time?
Mhm.
What was your response? I'm sorry.
Yes.
Yes? Oh.
In the courtroom's heavy silence, the prosecutor asks, "Do you see him here today?" Her eyes scan the room, then stop. "Yes," she says quietly. "That's the man, the one on the driver's side." All eyes turn toward the defendant. The record reflects her words. And for a moment, the air grows cold. It's not just testimony. It's a moment of truth. And truth in a courtroom can cut deeper than any bullet.
At this point in time, do you see Mr. Banks?
Mhm. Oh, yeah, the Cadillac.
Yep. And where is that on the screen? Is it at
The
the
one that's pulling out.
reversing out?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Whoa, I'm not 100. Okay.
I should reflect the video jumping around.
Yeah, fair. Didn't mean to do that. Sorry. I think you've already identified the Cadillac, but now there's another car in the frame. Do you recognize that vehicle?
Yeah.
And what vehicle?
The 300.
Okay. Is that the car that you previously identified as the white SUV?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't remember that.
Viewing this video, does it refresh your recollection?
Yes.
Okay.
The lights dim. A screen flickers to life. Security footage grainy, distant, but real. The prosecutor plays it again and again, trying to unlock the past frame by frame. Do you recognize his car? Yes, that's his Cadillac. She leans forward, struggling to relive it. Each replay pulls her back into that night. The flash, the sound, the fear. For years later, the memories still hurt. The courtroom watches in silence as truth unfolds in pixels and pain.
Yeah. All right. I want to just bring your attention back. You said that there was one on the driver's side of the vehicle and one on the passenger side of the vehicle. How certain are you that that's exactly how it went out? That it played out?
It was almost 4 years ago.
Yep.
I can't remember exactly what position. I know that they walked up. One was on my side, one was on his side.
Okay. I'm going to play the video just to see if that refreshes your recollection.
Objection, Your Honor. She's answered that question twice. Prosecutor's doing his best to change her testimony. This video has been shown.
I'm going to sustain the objection. She's testified to what she knows. She's also qualified in that it was 4 years ago.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. I don't have any other questions for this witness at this point in time.
All right. Consent process.
No questions, Your Honor.
You have no questions? All right. Thank you. You may step down.
Your Honor, may she...
Her voice cracks. The questions end. No further questions, Your Honor. She steps down, eyes red, hands trembling. For her, The case isn't about evidence or exhibits. It's about a night that never ended. The judge thanks her, and the next witness is called. But the echo of her words lingers in the air. The story of 5 shots, a broken life, and a courtroom still searching for justice.